Welcome to the Light Home review for the Eurofans Neptune ceiling fan. The Neptune fan is one of our most popular ceiling fans and one of Eurofans' most popular ceiling fans as well. The box measures 63 by 26 by 37 centimetres and weighs approximately 10.5 kilograms with all the packaging should you wish to ship it abroad. Currently, a Neptune comes in two sizes. There is a 44-inch version and a 52-inch version, and the only difference between the two sizes is literally the pack of blades you get in the box. The motor housing always stays the same between the two sizes. Currently, there are two colours available. There is a white version with white blades and a brushed nickel version with silver blades. And as you'd expect with all Eurofan fans, you get a 5-year motor manufacturer's warranty. Fitted to your ceiling, it's going to weigh about 9 kilograms, which makes it a moderate medium weight of ceiling fan, and it's dual mount, which means it can be fitted with or without the drop rod that comes in the box. If you're fitting without the drop rod, say you have limited head space, it's 17 centimetres from ceiling to blades and 31.5 centimetres from ceiling to bottom of the fan. If you're fitting with the small rod that's in the box, it's 26.8 centimetres down from ceiling to blades and 41.3 centimetres from ceiling to bottom of the fan. Now the unit comes with a remote control as standard. The remote will control the 3 speeds of the fan and the light is LED. Originally, the Neptune was a halogen ceiling fan and was recently upgraded to full LED. Overall, in high speed, it's going to use 58 watts of power, and you can expect it to move about 5,300 cubic feet of air per minute. So what we'll do, we'll open it up, have a little look at it, take the parts out, show you it working. As with all ceiling fans, you open the box by just snipping the tape, being careful when opening the middle because the blades tend to be underneath that middle part and you don't want to catch it with the knife. If we open it up, top tray, first thing we see, instruction manual. Now we do digital copies of those on our Facebook page, which is facebook.com/lighterhome. Blades. Now these are the silver blades that go with the brushed nickel fan, and they're a 44-inch set of blades. You can tell the 44-inch blade because it fits 2/3 of the way in the box. If the blades fully fit the box, then it's the 54-inch version. So that's the blade pack. You get a small decorative boss cover that you will use if you use the drop rod. And you get your fixing bracket and cover dish. So that's the actual part that fits it to the ceiling. Now this particular one has a hanging ball joint inside, which you can use on the drop rod, or it will fit manually to the fan itself if you're fitting flush. Remote control. Neptune comes complete with a remote control, which will control all aspects of the ceiling fan except for the actual reverse feature, which is a button on the side of the unit, which we'll show you in a moment. But the remote will control the 3 speeds of the fan, and will also control the light fitting as well. Drop rod. Pre-fit on its ball joint with a split pin attached. You don't have to fit it on the drop rod, but if you want to, you can. If you want a longer drop rod, you can buy them as accessories. Just buy the brushed nickel version by Fantasia or Eurofans. It has to be a 27mm drop rod, and you just reuse these parts, the ball joint and the split pin and bolt, on the new drop rod. If you're fitting in a conservatory or somewhere like that, or on a sloped ceiling and you need a bit of depth, just buy a long drop rod. They come available in 12, 18, 30, 48 and even 72-inch. So that's what you see on the top tray. So we'll take that out and I will put that down there like that. Second tray, glass dish, covers up the light fitting on the ceiling fan. It's made of glass. It is breakable. However, Fantasia, Eurofans and Lighter Home all stock replacements of these. So if you break one, just give us a call. Our telephone number is 024 7671 7043. We can supply you with a replacement one. Screw set and self-balancing kit. Now it's unusual to have a wobble on a ceiling fan, but if you do have one, you can rectify it with the kit. And in there is the fixing brackets you'd expect for the ceiling and all the bolts and nuts you would require as well. And the main part in the fan is the motor housing. If I remove the box out of the way. Now that is the Eurofans Neptune motor housing, and what you're looking at there is the LED array. It's full LED. It used to be halogen, so you used to actually fit bulbs into that unit, but now it's complete with LED. That's fully workable. It's dimmable with the remote control. Throws out a lot of light, and obviously the glass bowl fits over that. If we look down the side, you can see the sections where the blades slot in. There is no blade arms on this particular ceiling fan. The blades fit straight to the actual motor housing. And on the top is the connection for the drop rod, if you're going to use the drop rod, or the connection for the cover bracket in case you're not. If I open this bag a little bit, you can see there is a reverse switch just there. That will allow you to turn the fan into reverse mode, which will recirculate hot air trapped at ceiling level, which is great for in the autumn and winter for your central heating. And you have colour-coded cables coming out as well, which is perfect for wiring into the remote control receiver unit, which we have a separate video for, and your house's electrics. The Neptune is a large fan. You can fit it into a bedroom, lounge, you can fit it into a conservatory, perfect for conservatories really. You wouldn't really fit it into a small room or a box room or anywhere like that, but it's perfect for those kind of places. Has a 5-year motor manufacturer's warranty, and as mentioned previously, comes in a white colour and a silver brushed nickel colour. So it's a quality unit. We sell an awful lot of them because it's a lot of ceiling fan for the money. So I hope this video has been useful. If it has, then please like it for us. Thank you.